Welcome to the Banned Photos channel. If you enjoy historical photos, support us with a like and subscribe. Thank you.
Cindy Crawford for Vogue, November, Monaco, 1991. Charging an electric car in the garage, 1911. A soldier coming home from WW2. Family poses in front of their Saadiya house, 1887. Singer Valerie Leontiev and model Christy Tarlington, Leningrad, 1990 year. This photo captures prospectors trying to strike gold, 1890s. American wheelmen reposing in the woods. A group of friends riding bicycles in Denver, Colorado, around 1900. Amazing Victoria's Secret angel. Tricycles, hoops, and parasols dot the landscape in this scene at Fort Greene in Brooklyn, May 1886. Unidentified last swimming, taken in 1897. Migrant farm worker with his wife and 10 children, 1936. Leticia Costa in a 1999 photo. Women boxing on a rooftop in 1938. Horse-drawn school hack full of children on their way to school near Westphalia, Indiana, 1915. A family during the Great Depression. The beautiful Irina Shayk. A A Father with His Four Daughters, 1904. Skagit River. Hotel, Barron, Washington, 1890. Diner Drive-In in Los Angeles, 1950s. Donatella Versace and Jennifer Lopez at a party in 1999. Inside a bar at the Table Bluff Hotel and Saloon, Humboldt County, California, 1889. Class in Blacksmithing, Forest Grove School, Oregon, 1882. Judge Roy Bean's Notary Office, which served as a saloon as well. Texas, 1900. Angelina Jolie and Ryan Philippe, 1998. A teacher and her students stand in front of a sod schoolhouse, Oklahoma, 1895. One-room schoolhouse, Wisconsin, 1904. A family at their log cabin, New York in the 1880s. A girl's best friends are diamonds. Founder of Cadillac and his 1906 Cadillac model, M. Touring, 1906. School children playing in their Iowa classroom, 1892. Workmen laying wooden water pipeline, Idaho, 1891. House of Dior, Paris, 1947. Christmas dinner, 1936. Dinner consisted of potatoes, cabbage, and pie. Gold miners at work, Yukon Territory, 1898. Girl with a Goat, Benton County, Arkansas, 1901. The girls of London are protesting. Dior is unfair to miniskirts, September 12, 1966. Selfie in 1920. Two beautiful sisters born in the early 1900s. A bankrupt investor tries to sell his luxury roadster for $100 following the 1929 stock market crash. Charles Bowman, family in front of their home, 1900. Neighborhood kids sharing a laugh in Nebraska, 1910. First delivery of Coca-Cola to Knoxville, 1919. A woman poses on an Indian motorcycle with an occupied sidecar in Paris, 1919. A stylish young gentleman on a winter stroll, 1900. Miami, Florida, 1896. A beautiful couple from 163 years ago. People posing in front of a big tree in Stanley Park, Vancouver, 1904. Young woman removing her loaf of bread from the oven, 1909. A beautiful couple from 1889. The high jump at Olympics Games in London, 1908. Four generations in one picture, 1880s. A logging camp cookhouse in 1898. one cowboy, and one cowgirl from the 1880s. Construction men on a suspended iron section, 200 feet above ground, 1907. Ice being delivered in the London smog, 1919. Portrait of the Shores family, Nebraska, 1887. A woman kisses a British soldier returning from WW2. Portrait of two fashionable young women, 1910. Photographer Charles C. Ebbets. He took the famous picture, Lunchtime Atop a Skyscraper. Portrait of an unknown chap with long beard, taken in the 1890s. Workers taking a break on the St. John's Bridge, Portland, 1931. A promising young photographer, 1880s. Sharecroppers coming home from tobacco plantation, North Carolina, 1939. Two boys going fishing, Texas, 1925. Cyclist from Estonia on a self-made bicycle, 1912. Playing auto polo in Canada, 1919. Miami Beach, 1940s. Taking the train in 1865. Photographer William Leftwich at work.